So today I want to finish painting whatever I need to finish painting inside the engine bay. It's going to be kind of as I go along kind of type procedure, and I'll keep you guys informed on what I'm doing as I get to that portion of the painting process. Okay, so majority of my time initially is going to be spent underneath here, cleaning and painting the stuff underneath here. We do have the trusty sidekick Jackie.
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy, Jackie? What are you doing? What are you doing? That's a good boy.
Yeah, we'll begin right here, and I think I'm gonna paint most of this in silver. And there's some other stuff that I have to clean, like there's some oil right there initially, so alright, you'll see the status as it progresses. Cleaned up the bottom, but I'm still gonna start from the top. Just seems more logical that way. Start painting all that stuff up top. So after cleaning, it took another 2 hours to paint it all. But as you can see, no more of that oxidized look. Everything is just nice and silver now. Painted everything over there. And underneath as well, you can see what that kind of looks like. Let's see if we can get a better angle. There we go. Let's check out the other side. This one was a little bit more of a pain, just because of everything that's surrounding it. But I was still, nonetheless, I was able to get everything. There are probably going to be a couple of touch-ups here and there that I'm going to have to do, but I'll do those after I put this steering rack back in, for example. Because right now I just can't reach a couple of the spots. But yeah, for the most part, I'm pretty satisfied with everything the way it came out. Now it's time to continue on with the stuff that's outside of the engine.